A big piece of this is the bond market, the secular bull market in bonds, which was in place from 1982 until 2020. That is over. And the only time in the century-long period, Daniela, from 1920 to 2020, the only time you weren't making money in bonds was basically the mid-'60s to the early '80s. So money is now slowly coming out of bonds. That's going into gold. In the stock market, this secular trend, this secular bull that has been in place since 2009, I don't know if it's going to end in a couple months or a couple years, but I do know that this is in its very later stages. And so when that ends, we're going to see more money come out of stocks and go into gold. And actually, and this is really important, in the last couple weeks, gold against the stock market, that broke out of a 4-year base. And so that is at a new 4-year high. I have another indicator that I talk about in the book, which is gold against the 60-40 portfolio, which is 60% stocks, its total return, and 40% bonds. So gold against the classic investment portfolio. That broke out of a 10-year base in the last few weeks. So as we're talking, this is really, really important because this is what I talk about in the book, is gold is now breaking out against conventional investments. And so more money, this is a big sea change compared to the last few years. More money is now going to move out of conventional assets and into gold.